Welcome back, guys. Leland here, bringing you another TA on Ethereum, my favorite cryptocurrency. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, and let's jump into the charts. Okay, what's going on? Why are we dropping so much? We've had literally about a 40% drop. We take it from the top, we measure it all the way to the bottom. We're looking at about a 40% drop. Ouch. Why? It's the new year. We didn't get the last year, end of the year rally like we were thinking, right? Everybody was thinking the same thing, so the opposite tends to happen within markets. Well, now we're at the low lows. I mean, we're at that low right now. And we can take a look at the RSI. We're looking at a daily chart right now. And if we check out the RSI, the strength on Ethereum right now, we are below a 30, guys. Okay, when I see this, I get chills. This is an amazing buying opportunity. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but the last time that we were below the 30 on the RSI was way back here, right here at this moment. You see that? Okay, we're at the 30 right now. That level right there. What happened then at that time? I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to show you. That was when the liquidity crisis happened, when that thing happened back in 2020 at the very beginning of the year. Everything sold off. Liquidity crisis for everybody. New York Stock Exchange was dropping. Bear accounts were going up like crazy. It was a crazy time. That was the beginning of an opportunity right there. Is where the RSI dropped below the 30, okay? Right now, we're below the 30. At that time, when ETH dropped to these levels during the liquidity crisis, we went down to $90, okay? That was the last time we were down here on the RSI. Now, we're dropping below the 30, and we're at $3,000, okay? If that doesn't show you what kind of opportunity this is right now, I don't know what does. A lot of people are fearful in the market right now, which I totally get. The fear and greed index right now is sitting at a very, very uncomfortable 23. Just a few days ago, that was sitting at about a 10. It was some of the lowest that we had seen in quite some time. Why is this happening? Why is crypto dropping? It's not just crypto, guys. It's all markets across the world right now. S&P 500 is taking a pretty good drop. The past 2 weeks in the S&P 500, we've dropped 5%. Oof, that's not good. That's really not too good, but the markets are really overvalued right now. Okay, let's talk about the consolidation. We have a very interesting pattern here. So what I want to discuss is the percentage that we've gone up from the bottom, and I'm talking about the $90 bottom that we took over on Ethereum when the liquidity crisis hit, all the way to the top of ETH right there. So ETH had gone up from that bottom over 5,000%. The thing can't just go up forever, guys. We have to have a consolidation period, which I think we're still in right now. I think a lot of people they're a little blind to the kind of patterns that we're heading into. But gosh, when you have, let's see, from March 2020 to the high over here of May, let's just say a year of just upside, just crazy upside within a healthy market, within a healthy cryptocurrency, we have to see that consolidation. We have to be able to hold those levels to kind of give us some comfort, like, okay, we're hitting these supports and we're hitting these resistances, and let me show you why I'm still super bullish. A lot of people are probably thinking, I don't know, I think we're probably going to be going into a bear market here. I don't think so. I seriously do not think so. So let's check this out. What kind of consolidation pattern do you guys think you see right here? I know that I can make a support line from here to here, and that even holds up back here as well. You can see the resistance, and it's kind of small. Let me blow it up here for you guys. A lot of kind of resistance, and we make it kind of pinpoint accurate here, right about, chong. Okay, huge level of support. Okay, I like that support line. Do I think ETH can come down and touch that support line? Yeah, I do. Am I bearish at that point? No. But what I don't want to see ETH do is take out this previous low. So we had a low and then a higher low, and then we're making a higher low right now, technically. So what I don't want to see ETH do is get below that $2,700 area. That wouldn't look too good. Okay, let's make our resistance. This is very clear. We have 2 points of resistance here, maybe possibly even 3, making it a valid trend line right here. And you can see we have the 1, we have the 2, and the 3 touches over here, and we got rejected up at this top, and we were making a new higher low. As long as we can catch this bounce right here, I'm going to be pretty happy. If we start dropping below, I'm going to be looking at some areas to take, so to take some profits and possibly even get out of Ethereum, because that won't be too good, guys. These are these deciding factors that really can make or break you in this system. I really don't want ETH to go any lower, and we're gonna draw this out. I'm gonna say about $2,300. I'm gonna add an alert right there. If we ever get to that level, it's gonna be kind of scary. A lot of support within these areas. Let me show you guys the supports that we have. We have horizontal supports, we have diagonal supports, but the most strong ones that we're gonna have are gonna be the horizontal ones. You can see that we have a great level of resistance and support at this level. This has a lot of weight to it, guys. This is 1 year of data. So resistance here, you can see we got above it, and we are holding it as support right now. If we come back below, I do want to see us hold that support for the meantime. But not only that, if I pull out a Fibonacci retracement, I'm going to draw it from the beginning of the year, or I'm sorry, from the drop that we had last summer or about springtime. So we take it from the swing high and we go down to the swing low right about there. You can see that we have a very strong area of support down at $1,700. We've gotten back above that. The 236 did act as resistance for us right here. We broke through it like no problem. We started going up, and then we needed to find our ground again. We came back up. Notice what we did though, guys. If you've watched my channel before, we've always talked about the 618 and 786. These are very crucial areas to get above. That's this box right here, right? That's the box that we need to get through within a Fibonacci retracement for us to go higher. But we had something interesting happen. We had kind of a turn in the markets up here. The sentiment changed. The sentiment definitely changed over there. So you can see this is holding up very clearly. You can see resistance, support breaking out. Oh, we got above and we got into the 618 and 786. Fantastic. I loved it. But we couldn't hold it. We really could not hold it. We needed to come back and test that 618 as support. But we didn't do that. We kept falling below and it didn't look too well. So I like to use this entire year as, you know, is the entire Fibonacci, and you can see that we are laddering our way up. It is not explosive and as volatile as it was back in the day. We look at those huge gains that a lot of people made. We look at the charts and we see, wow, this thing moved quite a bit back in the day, but you have to understand the market cap is a lot bigger. Adoption rate is a lot more. It's happening much faster. The amount of users that are on the network are going up. And if you use Metcalfe's law, within the next 5 years, the prices of Bitcoin should be about $1 million. I know that sounds pretty crazy, but if we have Bitcoin at $1 million, where does that put ETH? Guys, we are still early. You don't understand, guys. We're very early in this space. So, like I said, we're laddering up right now. You can see we held up the zero on the Fibonacci retracement. We came up, we touched the 382, and now we're laddering up and we're touching the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. For the short term, guys, what I really want to see Ethereum do, we got to get back above this 3367. Once we can get back above 3367, then we need to pay attention and see what's going on over here. If let's say we break through, right? Let's say we go through, we hit the 3367, and then we break back down below. I'm not going to like that very much, guys. My temperament's going to be changing, and I'm going to be changing kind of the way I'm going to be investing from here on out. So what do I like to do through bear markets? I like to mine. I like to get the coin really cheap when we hit those lows and those bear markets, and I'm just mining super low, possibly even going into the negative where I actually have to pay to mine. But those coins at those levels are going to be so cheap, I don't mind hanging on to them for some time before we hit our new run. I'm not saying that we're going to go into bear market, but if we do, that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be walking with you guys every step of the way to show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, now I know you guys are probably saying, Leland, where have you been? What's going on? I know. I've been gone. A lot of people don't know what I've been doing. I want to show you. I had the opportunity around, what was it, June? Yeah, I think it was last year, June, when China came out and they were like, we're going to ban Bitcoin mining. Guys, that was a huge opportunity. I had to jump on it. I couldn't be making videos. My life got super busy, but ever since then, we've been creating a team. We have a team of partners. We created Colorado Mining Companies LLP. I don't know if you guys have figured it out, but I'm from Colorado up here. Okay. My first company that I developed was the Ethereum. You guys know everything about Ethereum. This one is the Colorado Mining Company. This is strictly Bitcoin for this company. We're going to be having different companies as well, where we're going to be mining where we're going to be mining, gosh, right now, I'll see helium and, chia and stuff like that. I do want to dabble in those areas just a little bit. But currently right now, we have a warehouse, we have space, we have containers that we're going to be putting this, we have power where these are going to be going as well. We're not fully up and running yet, but we do have about 12 partners so far. So we're getting there. We're getting the contributions and we're getting the things we need. We have a team of electrical engineers. We have our mechanical engineers, the electricians. We're working with our company called Core that's located over here in Colorado, which is the utility company. So a lot of good things are coming. Our facility is going to be able to harness 3 megawatts worth of power, which I just find really amazing for my first Bitcoin operation. This is happening right now, guys. If you are interested in becoming a limited partner within Colorado mining companies, contact me down below. I'm going to be putting, what do I want to put in there? Let's do Twitter. I'm going to put Twitter down there. Go join me on the Twitters. And you can send me a DM if you are interested. I can give a presentation. We can show you everything that we're going to be doing, but we're going to be dunking these miners in mineral oil, a dielectric fluid. They're going to be able to perform so much more output. I'm super excited about this, guys. I want to just give you an update about Ethereum real quick. I'm going to be starting doing videos again. I think before I was doing them way too much and I got burnt out really quickly. So we're going to try to work on one a week. But we're going to be touching up on all these charts here, guys. I just wanted to show you Ethereum real quick. So it doesn't look too bad right now. Looking pretty good. Let's show one more thing before we take off here, guys. This is probably one of my favorite things, leading indicators that's going to be telling me that Ethereum's not done. We are still going to be going up on this bull run. We are currently still in a bull run. I wholeheartedly believe the facts tell me about it in the charts, but we have negative momentum moving down on our histogram while price action is moving up. Guys, this is incredibly bullish, especially on a weekly chart. A weekly that has so much weight to it, guys. Now, just because this is hidden bullish divergence doesn't mean that it's going to happen. Okay, we have to be patient. We have to see what's happening. But when you guys see this bar right here start turning from red over to white, I'm going to probably start saying that's going to be the bottom for Ethereum. The price doesn't necessarily have to keep going down, but if we move sideways from where we are right now and we can consolidate over the next couple of weeks, maybe a few weeks, I want to see that white shift. And as soon as that white shifts, guys, I think that's going to be our bottom. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. My name's Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.